The Philippines being a pioneer biosafety in Southeast Asia with the introduction of the very first biosafety system in the region during the 1990s has the potential of becoming a leader in this field, as we remain steadfast in adopting biotechnologies. It has been surrounded by controversies, mainly because of the neglect of needs, interests, and concerns of primary stakeholders and the masses. Biotechnology, if used responsibly, can help end hunger, find cure to many treacherous diseases, increase yield of harvest, and improve the life of our citizen. Kay Mach 1 at kay Aling Maria. But if with irresponsible use, biotechnology can have tumultuous consequences on the world we live in. For this reason, it's no wonder that some advancement in biotechnology in the country and in the global stage invite various and often polarizing reaction from various groups. Debates have always been battled in different platforms by people in academic, public and private sectors, non-profit organizations among others. However, despite the debates and ending exchanges of ideas to refute each other claim of advantages and disadvantages of biotechnology, little information trickled down kay Mach 1 at kay Aling Maria. This presents difficulty in communicating or exchanging knowledge on biotechnology and hamper adoption of technology. This is the very reason why annually the Department of Science and Technology teams up with other agencies to inform the public view on concerns, issues, and the latest in the field of biotechnology in the country. We want to inform the public about the opportunities and benefits of biotechnology to our lives to help them make informed decisions. Through this forum, the DOST Biotechnology Forum, we are hoping that we could provide a platform for knowledge and information sharing on biotechnology. We at DOST understand that the controversy in biotechnology will not disappear anytime soon. Through this forum, I hope we will have an open mind on the exciting ways we can harness the potential of biotechnology. At present, the department is pushing for various projects in biotechnology which we hope will help the different sectors of the society. Through our Smarter Philippines program, we are tackling genomics and biotechnology to improve the yield of our agricultural crop and increase the resistance to disease, develop vaccine for pressing health concern, and understand how genetics influence the health of the Filipino people. As the support of DOST remains unwavering in pursuing programs in biotechnology, I hope that this forum will become a conduit for knowledge exchange to help people make informed decisions rather than rely on hostile generalization regarding biotechnology. I hope we could continue to provide evidence-based results, consequently alleviating people's fear and reducing confusion of what the technology is all about. Biotechnology is indeed here to stay. DOST considered biotechnology as a major technology platform wherein there will be plenty of application to improve people's lives. We are at the point where science challenges us to understand and utilize not only the physical world that we live in, but the very molecules that act as the building blocks of life in our planet. However, there is still much work that needs to be done since biotechnology is still in the early stages of development but have very, very promising potential benefits. We need to confront the challenges and turn things around and take advantage of the opportunities biotechnology offers. We at DOST consider biotechnology as transformative. It will change how we live. It is as transformative as ICT, as genomics. Actually, genomics and biotech are closely related. Today's forum will feature DOST-funded project on nutrient genomics and forensics, as well as the issues of biosafety in the Philippines. I hope this day may help us understand and appreciate not just the U.S. initiative on biotechnology, but everything about biotechnology. Some of the brightest Filipino scientists are here with us today. Listen to them and keep the questions coming. And we should all share this mission and responsibility to discover, utilize, and develop biotechnology. Again, thank you very much for having me. Magandang umaga po.